Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars, and today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels to unbox today. This is the McLaren Speedtail in silver, or Metalflake gray, whatever you want to call it. And this is from Factory Fresh for 2021, number 7 out of 10. This is from international. This is on USA card, 112 out of 250 for the year. GTC 55 is the number, with this car being from L-Case. Yes, McLaren Speedtail is a factory fresh car, and 2020 the copyright. And I actually have the first color of this. This is the first color, which came in Metalflake Orange. And then this is the first edition from 2020, which is the Metalflake light blue one from Hot Wheels Exotics. I'm just going to be opening this one up today. Let me know when you want me to unbox this one. I'm not going to unbox them in the same video because that would be such a pain titling the video. Okay, let's get this casting out of the packaging. Not a clean open. I'm not really good with these clean opens anymore. I had it for a while and now I can't really open them that cleanly anymore. It's kind of depressing. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the two vehicles. We've got the Metalflake Orange one, which is the first color right over here, and this is the Metalflake Silver one. And let's take a closer look at these details. This is factory fresh, so it's going to have some details. On the back, we have some chrome 10 spokes. In the front, we have black aero discs. Just like in real life, there are two different wheels on the real-life McLaren Speedtail, and I will link the other unboxing to the other Speedtail in the description. So, up here we got a line here, and that might be like a brake light or whatever, or reverse, or not reverse, like just like an extra brake light, one of those. A very clear canopy on top. It's like a teardrop kind of shape. Let's turn this car around. You can take a good look at that right there. Very cool casting. This is really going to be one of my favorite 2021 castings, one of them. And there's the detailed front end. Kind of detailed. I don't even think I see painted headlights. Kind of weird. Very cool casting. And there is the back with saying McLaren right there. Speedtail. And the painted lights. Hard to see there because of the glare. Cool casting. There's the base. Plastic base. McLaren Speedtail. Made in Malaysia. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. And be sure to subscribe for more.